Hey guys, Kyle Blythe, J.Racenstein, and I have the ProTool Mix Station Mobile here. So this is a 100% portable soft wash mixing station for spraying and cleaning buildings. So you've got a mobile cart here with dual 6-gallon totes. You've got your metering manifold and dual 12-volt pumps off the back, plus your power, your input and your output manifold right here. So these are quick connects, so you can go ahead and just disconnect those, load it up in your truck, unload it out of your truck, run it out to wherever you need to clean, and reconnect all your hoses. So if you've got a job that might be the inside of a courtyard of an apartment complex or a building, business complex, and you just can't get your hoses out there, you can't get your rig in there, and you're looking for a mobile setup, or you're just trying to clean out of a small format rig or truck and you don't have space for the full setup, this is the perfect mobile system to go ahead and tackle those mobile jobs or clean in a small format. So you got that metering manifold right here. You've got your water line and your mix of your SH bleach and your surfactant. Now that's a 6-gallon tote of bleach. You're gonna carry 6-gallon totes and you're gonna batch mix basically your bleach and your surfactant. And this is a pint of surfactant, ProTool sticky. Go ahead and dump the whole bottle into that 6-gallon tote, and it's pre-mixed. You don't have to worry about mixing half a bottle or a quarter or whatever, how many cups. Just dump the whole bottle in when you're ready to start spraying, and you've got your bleach surfactant mix right there, and it's gonna blend that with water on the fly. You got a 6-gallon tote of water. On the back, you've got a float valve coming in, your input water right here, and your mesh filter coming in for your input water. So connect your water source. It's gonna fill up that 6-gallon tote of water and keep that filled up as you're spraying. It's gonna top that off from the building. Then you've got your mix coming in. You're gonna set your mix ratios. So if you want a 1% mix, go ahead and dial that in about between 1 and 3, and you'll get a 1% mix. That's gonna create about 60 gallons of spray out the gun. So plenty of chems to get the jobs done. You can do multiple jobs out of these totes. Even if you're looking to do a really big job and you need more than that, or let's say you wanna do really hot mix and you're worried about having enough spray, go ahead and get another tote and go ahead and swap that empty one for another full one, and you've got another up to 60 gallons. And if you need more than that, just keep swapping them out and filling them up with bleach and surfactant. So on the back, you got dual 12-volt soft wash pumps. This is good for about 5.5 gallons a minute through the gun and through the tip. You'll get about 5 gallons a minute onto the building with this system. Dual 12-volt circuit breakers back here, so you got electrical protection in case something happens. 100% waterproof on the back, so you don't have to worry about any overspray. You don't have to worry about accidentally spraying it. Then you've got dual 12-volt 110 power pack. So that's going to power these 12-volt pumps with the consistent power. Power them definitely. Don't have to worry about batteries or anything like that. And it comes with that splitter / joiner combined, so you can go ahead and just plug in one 110 extension cord from the building, power both of those pumps directly and indefinitely. So this system is all on wheels, easy to maneuver. When you're gonna go ahead and load it, you'll go ahead and disconnect the tanks, take them out, load it back up, and then load your tanks back in. And in order to start operating it, you're gonna wanna make sure your breakers are on the back for power. Go ahead and make sure you've got water coming in and you've got a full tank right here and your quick connects are installed. And go ahead and just connect your tap water in and your power into the building or into the system and start spraying.